All right, who do we have here today?
Carter
and
Brian.
What are we doing?
Jumping out of the plane.
With total strangers. You trust this guy to throw you out?
No.
I hope so.
Oh my God, you trust me to throw you out?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're crazy. Whose idea was this? This guy's fault if this goes wrong. Whose idea was this? His?
I'll be dead though.
Oh my God. So, last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday?
No.
Nothing?
No.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go have some fun, huh? High five. Here we go. All right, guys, you ready? You guys are nuts. Let's go have some fun. Holy cow. High five.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Probably one of the best experiences.
All the way down. Look at the camera.
Woo!
Nice. All the way up. Good. Pull the left one down. All the way down. All the way down. Good. Smile.
Oh shit! Holy shit!
There's a couple of reds out there. Alright, we made it back, dude. What do you think of that?
Probably one of the best things ever done.
Next time I'll let you play with my balls. It'll be even better. You can open the parachute.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah,
Tight,
for
man.
real.
Tight.
Come back, see us again. Skydive, Colorado Springs.
Absolutely, man.
Woo! You know what?